Maromogi prangwen kod aboro make kaunti ma Mombasa kinde mane obila otimo apedha ne jogo mauso shisha e kuonde tongona mantiere Nyali e kaunti no. Apedha no ne otagi bede migepe mopogore kendo notele gi duol makedo gi yedhe mamero ji e pacho kana kada kama ne gilimo e kuonde buora kama oting'o kuonde dak moko kuonde timo ohand shisha moyo prangwen kod abiriyo kama gik ywayo shisha maromo 700 no maki gi apisas mane timo apedha no.
Mimi nimeandikwa kazi ya hii shisha. Mtu akitaka shisha namtengezea, natumia tu zile flavors za kawaida zinatumika.
We'll follow up with the county to understand the circumstances under which this establishment was licensed. If indeed the license that you were shown is authentic, and like I said, it has expired. I'd like to urge proprietors that the law is very clear. If you have an establishment, you need to operate your enterprise within the law. Shisha is banned. And as a multi-agency led by NACADA, we will not relent in our effort to ensure that the law is fully complied with. In fact, we will up our efforts to ensure that alcohol and drug abuse is diminished to the extent that it's no longer a threat to our society.
MCS